Developing English communication is not an easy thing. And I am telling you, I don't want to give you any fake or unrealistic promise or claim that developing communication skill is as easy as a cakewalk. It's not like that. Friends, many students come and tell me that, sir, it's hard. Sir, it's boring to develop our English communication. We have to work, we have to sweat, we have to, push ourselves beyond the limits. And that is what I tell them. I tell them a very important line which I'm going to tell you, dear friends. The line is, easy todays will give you difficult tomorrows. Easy todays will give you difficult tomorrows, but difficult todays will give you easy tomorrows. Today, if you are making easy choices, your future will be tough. It will be hard. But today, if you are making important choices, difficult choices, hard choices, you have an easy future. I will explain you with an example. I tell my students to develop their English habits. It's like reading, it's like listening, it's like, audio-visual techniques. They say me that, sir, it's not that good, sir. It's boring sometimes. Yeah, it is boring. And I tell them that today, if you make difficult choices, boring choices, hard choices, tomorrow you will be a great communicator. And that's going to help you in your business, in your job. It will help you in your personal life, in your professional life. You will have easy tomorrows. Whenever my students say that, sir, I have to give a presentation, but I don't want to give, I say, make a difficult choice today. You will have an easy future tomorrow. Whenever they say me that, sir, listening to audiobook is tough, same thing I say, make a difficult choice today. And that difficult choice eventually will become easy after a few days, after a few months. Dear friends, when you're improving, working on your communication skill, remember this formula. Easy todays will give you difficult tomorrows. But difficult todays, hard todays, important tasks if you do today, it will give you a successful and easy tomorrow. It's your choice. Every day we make choices. You make a choice. What you want. Easy todays or easy tomorrows. Entirely your choice. Thanks a lot for watching and hope you will make important and difficult choices today for your bright future of tomorrow. Goodbye.